small town dreamer staring at the sea. I found a world where I could finally be free, with a straw hat waving under golden skies. I set my course where adventure never dies. Every episode I feel my spirit rise, through storms and battles chasing endless skies. 1,000 stories, 1,000 tears, I've been sailing with them through the years. Through every art, through every fight, I hold on tight with all my might. Their dreams became my own somehow, and I'm still chasing them right now. I'm one of the Strawhats, can't you see? Sailing with the crew across the open sea, with Monkey D. Luffy leading me to find my way. I'll never stop believing, come what may, through the grand line, through every storm. Their courage keeps my heart so warm. 1,000 dreams, one destiny, forever a fan of One Piece I'll be. From Zoro's strength to Nami's guiding hand, Sanji's fire and Usopp's final stand, Chopper's heart and Robin's silent tears, Frankie's roar echoing through the gears, Brooks sings songs that never fade away, Jinbe stands tall, come what may. Together they fight, together they stand, a family bound across the land. Through every loss, through every gain, through all the joy and all the pain, they taught me how to never fall, to stand back up and give my all. I'm one of the Strawhats, can't you see? Sailing with the crew across the open sea, with Monkey D. Luffy leading me to find my way. I'll never stop believing, come what may, through the grand line, through every storm. Their courage keeps my heart so warm. 1,000 dreams, one destiny, forever a fan of One Piece I'll be. Raise the flag and let it fly high, underneath the endless sky. No matter where this life may go, their story's all I'll ever know. Rodel Kim, you're one of the Strawhats now, proud and free, living out their dreams inside of me, with Monkey D. Luffy lighting up the way I see. This journey lasts eternally, through every wave and every breeze. Their legacy will never cease. 1,000 dreams, one destiny, they say. Rodel Kim, you're